Alright guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and today we're gonna be talking about the React custom hook. Okay, so in this video we're gonna be looking at some examples how the custom hook works and how we can create the custom hook and how we can use the into our code repository. So that's what we're gonna be looking at. So I have the initial repository over here, like initial code over here for the input box. Like I have created one component which is chat view, and inside that if you type anything, it's gonna be coming just underneath of this input box, okay, over here. So I have implemented some methods over here. So you see the debounce text, which is gonna be taking a while to type it down just underneath of the input box. Okay, so that's the debouncing. If you don't know about the debouncing and throttling, so you can just read into the JavaScript documentation somewhere and you can just get to know about this one. So this is the code for the debouncing method. If you wanna just note it down, so you can note it down as well. So I don't mind about that one. Okay, because our topic is the React custom. Okay, so we're gonna be looking into that one. So let's create one custom hook. So I'm just gonna be taking one simple example over here. I'm not gonna be doing any much with the stuffs. So I'm just gonna be just make you understand. So I'm just gonna be taking one function. So let's take one function. So use input change. Okay, sorry, input change. Let me just check out. Okay, input change. I'm gonna be taking one value inside of it. Okay, so I'll take the value, and now I'm just gonna be creating one state inside of it. So use state, and that state gonna be val. Okay, oh sorry, input val. Okay, so this is gonna be my state, and I'm gonna put in the value inside of it. Okay, so whatever the value you will put over here, so that's gonna be set over here automatically. Okay, now return the state or return. Okay, input val and set input val. Okay, so now I think some of you might think about it, like why we like need to write like this way if we can write it like this. So why do we need this one? So I'm gonna tell you like why do we need this one. Currently you can see like we are just passing the set function over here like this way. Otherwise we can just create one more scenario. We can create one more function over here, like this function gonna be modify value, and into that one you can pass the value, and then you can set this value over here. Okay, so you can do some more modification into this one, and you can just set the value over there. So I'm just gonna be doing this set input val, and I'm just gonna be taking the previous value, and I'm just gonna be replacing with the new value over here. Okay, I'm not doing anything with the previous value, but if you wanna do something with the previous value, so you can do it as well. Okay, and now this is our custom hook. So this is a simple custom hook which we can say. So use input change, and I'm gonna be using this like normal hook. Okay, that normal use statement. So this one gonna be returning as input val. Okay, and modify value, and I'm just gonna be use input change. Okay, and I'm just gonna be putting the empty string over there. Okay, so this is our hook, this is our custom hook which we are using right now. Okay, and this one we can implement anywhere. So just let me just show you how we can use this one. So you see over here somewhere, so I'm just removing this one, input change one. Oh, let's type it over here, another one. So just okay, just over here, and just make it input val like this way, and then yeah, that's it. And what we're gonna do next? Okay, we have to set the value also inside of it. So handle change input value, set input value, place that handle change. Okay, so we can modify the value over here. Okay, so just to modify value p dot target dot value. Okay, so now let's see. Whenever we are changing the value into the input box, does it change? Does it shows over here or not? Okay, so let's just try something over here. Okay, so you see both the places the value is coming, like so this one is input sheet, this one is input value, so both values are coming, and it's taking a while to printing the value because there's a debounding going on, and as long as I'm going to be increasing the timer value over here, so this one if I increase it to so 2000 milliseconds, so it's going to be taking a 2 seconds to print the value. Okay, once I'm going to be stopping it. Okay, so you see 1 2, it's going to be taking 2 seconds, so let's reduce it to 1000, and now let's start again. Okay, so let's type it. So see, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using this previous value as well. So whenever the previous value will come, a new value will come. So new value will come, it's gonna be automatically concatenated with this previous value. So how we gonna do? We're just gonna be using this one, and we're gonna be concatenating the value with the previous one. Okay, so in string gonna be always increasing. It doesn't like never gonna be same. Okay, it's always gonna be associated with the new value. Okay, so let's see how it works. So if I type it like this way, so you see this is our previous value now. Okay, now I'm going to be typing again, so it's going to be associated with the new value. See, if I'm typing again, and you see the new value is getting associated, so every time if I will type it, so it's going to be going into the function in handle change, and it's going to be coming over here into the modify value, and now it's going to be coming into a hook, and then it's going to be associated with the new value. So that we can do. Okay, so that we can normally do over here as well. Okay, that's not the case, but this is the flow, like for the creating the custom hook. So this is your custom hook. If you want to do some more implementation into that, like let's suppose you have a long function written somewhere, okay, and you are always using this setting to change multiple places to modify your value. Okay, so better doing at the multiple places, you can create one custom hook, and whenever you set the value, it's going to be making all the implementation inside that hook and then give you the output. So that you can do over there easily, and that's why the custom hooks are comes into the picture. So that's the use case of it. Much difference, but this is the use case. So you can write your all logic inside this function, and you can just return the input value and set value outside of it, and you can extract it like this way, and then you can use it anywhere. So whenever you will set up value, it's going to be automatically change whatever the implementation or whatever the logic you have written inside that function. So it's automatically going to be evaluated with that, and it's going to be returning the value. Okay, so that's why custom hook comes into the picture. Star 2, so it's going to be multiplied by 2 as well, so it's going to be coming as a string. So you see the 0 nan, so it's coming nan because it's not a number. If you are multiplying with a number, so it's not a number, so that's why it's not coming. But if I add some more string over here like this way, so it's going to be coming because you have assigned a string value over here. Okay, so that's you see. Okay, so it takes a while to print it because I have put the 1000 milliseconds over here, so it takes a while. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be adding the number over here like this way. Oh sorry, it's gonna be like this. So I'm gonna be adding 0, and now I'm just gonna be adding the value, previous value over here. So let's see how does it work. Okay, so if I type 1, okay, 102, 203. Okay, so it's taking as a string and concatenating it. So that's why the problem is coming, because you see this input box, it's providing you it's providing you the string, not the number. So that's why it's getting concatenated with the previous value. But if you want to change the number, so what you have to do, you just have to convert it into the number like this way, and over here as well, number. Okay, and now let's try. I hope it's a work now. 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, 4. Okay, so you see the value is getting added into the previous value now. Okay, because we have converting into the number, string converting into the number, and then number is getting associated with each other, like it's getting sum of the values. Okay, so if I type more numbers over there, so you see the numbers are getting added. So that's how the custom hooks is working. You can write any logic, whatever you want, so you can write it over here, you can just print it over there. So that's how it works. So this is all the code, okay, and if you want to take the screenshot or something like that, because I'm not going to push this code today, it's going to be take a while, so that you can take the screenshot or whatever you want to take a picture of this video and you can use it. So it's not a big code, it's a small code for you to listen it. But that was the whole scenario behind the custom home that you can use, because I used a lot and I got the lot, I mean this use case is really awesome when you use it into home, because for the large code base, if you wanna use the custom code for the API calls and all the things, so it's gonna be very useful at that point. Okay, so thank you so much guys, thank you for watching into this video, and I'm gonna meet you in the next video with a new topic or something, with a new topic or new implementation. Thank you so much guys, thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.